God will reveal you in God-ordained moments. Because see, when God brings you to the front of the stage, trust me, the stage has been set. He's already prepared you. He's already qualified you. He's already put everything inside of you that you need to stand up to whatever it is that's standing at that table. No fear is needed or necessary. When he said the steps of a righteous man are ordered by the Lord, your job is just to live righteous. And he said, I will place things in your path when you need them. From the moment David was born into his family, Jesus had a plan from day one. He said, before you were formed in your mother's womb, I knew you. There's some things you're gonna have to go through that are gonna prepare you for who I'm calling you to be. You're not gonna like all of them. David's experiences gave him some uncommon qualities. I don't care how talented you are. I don't care how smart you are. I don't care how good you live your life. The thing that God has anointed you to do will break yokes. 100%. Why? Because it's not you. It's the anointing that flows through you when you use that gift.